Let's go from the beginning. Remember, we said you are going to press down the pedal on the tattoos. So we start piano. Okay. Let's go to the first group. They are very easy to remember, Chiara. So you start, you remove the pedal. So you do the first one on A, then you go to the next black key and the one next to it in the pattern. Okay? Shall we go after the A? So you do the pattern from here. D. Finish on the A. Now, the third one, forte, left, okay. You see this wrist is quite stiff. So can we do this bouncing movement, very slight? Can we go again from the last pattern? Section. So we said remove the pedal, finger 1 is going to go on D, and finger 2 here on D, and we have this pattern that repeats 3 times. Now here we start forte, how we finished. Now mezzo forte. Good. Use your wrist. Yes. Gonna prepare the pedal. You're gonna do little wrist strolls, so this you don't need. No, finger 2 always. Roll your wrist. Roll your wrist. And quiet. Okay, don't let your wrist drop. So this is going to go down like this. As soft as possible because the low keys make a lot of sound. Okay, do you understand? So you can watch this video at home to help you, alright? Go through the sections.